The all-in-one touch is desktop computing made more flexible, clean, compact and built to adapt. It's ideal for classrooms, front of house spaces and shared environments where touch adds real value. You get the simplicity of an all-in-one design with more flexibility built in. The Z-style arm gives you height adjustment for everyday comfort and lets the screen move flat into a tablet-style position. You also get a durable 10-point touchscreen for smooth interaction and collaboration. There's a 5-megapixel pop-up webcam with Windows Hello support. It makes secure signing quick and easy, while the pop-up design adds an extra layer of privacy when the camera is not in use. Spec it your way with a 24-inch Full HD display, up to 32GB RAM, up to 4TB SSD storage and a range of Intel Core Ultra processors. It also includes Gigabit LAN, Wi-Fi 6 and Windows 11 Home, Pro or Education. The all-in-one touch, flexible, interactive and built for collaboration.